Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect UE Boom 3 to iPhone Instant Link step by step clearly. Ensure your UE Boom 3 is charged and powered on. Locate the power button on the UE Boom 3 and press it. You will hear a sound indicating that the speaker is on. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. On your iPhone, find and tap on the Settings app. Once in Settings, tap on Bluetooth. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to turn it on, if it isn't already active. Your iPhone will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for UE Boom 3 in the list of available devices. Tap on UE Boom 3 when it appears. You may hear a confirmation sound from the speaker once connected. If prompted, confirm the pairing by tapping Pair on your iPhone. The UE Boom 3 is now connected to your iPhone. You can start playing music or audio through the speaker. To disconnect, go back to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Find UE Boom 3 in the list and tap that icon next to it. Select Disconnect or forget this device as needed. Your iPhone and UE Boom 3 are now successfully connected and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.